IBM yesterday joined an increasing number of tech giants that have announced significant U.S. investment plans. According to the company, it will spend some $150 billion in America over the next 5 years, including more than $30 billion earmarked for R&D to advance IBM's mainframe and quantum computing domestic manufacturing. IBM said it operates the world's largest fleet of quantum computer systems and will continue to design, build, and assemble these computers in Poughkeepsie, New York. The US-made mainframes are a critical component of American and global economies. IBM said more than 70% of the entire world's transactions, by value, run through its mainframes. IBM said quantum computing is one of the biggest economic opportunities in decades and will solve problems that conventional computers cannot process. In a statement, IBM chairman Arvind Krishna said, quote, "Technology doesn't just build the future, it defines it." He added that IBM has been focused on American jobs and manufacturing since its founding 114 years ago. This investment should help IBM keep pace with advancements in both computing and AI technology. IBM is one of the nation's largest tech employers, and the company claimed to have more than 300,000 employees spread across some 170 countries. IBM joins a growing list of tech companies investing in American manufacturing. In April, NVIDIA announced that it will invest at least $100 billion and up to $500 billion to make AI supercomputers in Texas. Earlier this year, Apple too pledged to spend some $500 billion in the US over the next 4 years. That includes a server assembly facility in Houston that could create thousands of jobs. Though not all is rose-colored in big tech, as chip giant Intel just last week announced a cost-cutting plan that will likely include significant layoffs. IEN reached out to IBM for more details about the manufacturing investment, but the company did not immediately respond to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.